Hello guys, it's me, Abir. Today I will show you an app where you have to do mining and join airdrops. First of all, you will find the link in my video description. Just click the link and it will redirect you to Chrome. Then click to register, give your email and accept the terms and conditions. Then click next and they send you an OTP. After that, you have to paste the OTP from your email and then you have to set a password and confirm it. Then click install. You can install the app from the Play Store or directly from Chrome as you wish, but I am installing the app from the Play Store. After finishing the installation, open the app and you will see the option to start the airdrop. Now click on Start Airdrop and log in with your email and password. Then again, click on Start Airdrop and select your country. Then again, click on Start Airdrop and now you have to verify that you are not a robot. You have to verify your identity. After I verify my face, again you have to click on Start Airdrop and it will say Successfully started the airdrop. Now click on Add Project and it shows you 4 projects. Click on one airdrop, then click Participate in Airdrop and you are done. You have to do the same process with the other 3 airdrops. You can claim your coin after a few hours, like this. You can also earn more coins here by referring your friends. Hopefully, you have enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our Telegram channel. If you face any problems, you can tell me on Telegram. The link is in the description. I will meet you with another new video. Till then, take care, goodbye.